Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Family's Kitchen. Today let's make prawns ghee dry fry. Ingredients needed: 1 kg prawns, 7 to 8 teaspoon tamarind water, and some powdered spices. Now let's marinate prawns. Take a bowl, add in 6 to 7 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, one tablespoon of jeera powder, a pinch of methi powder, half teaspoon of haldi powder, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, mix. Then add in 7 to 8 tablespoons of tamarind water, salt as per taste. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Give it a good mix. Marinate prawns well. Rest it for 15 minutes. Now take a pan, add in 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee, then add in 1 teaspoon of jeera, half sliced onion, fry it till golden brown. Then add in curry leaves, alongside half chopped tomatoes, then add in marinated prawns, give it a good mix. Cook it on low-medium flame till masala completely dries. prawn ghee dry fry is ready to enjoy.